Well, hello, Bowie residents and future homeowners. You might be looking for a real estate agent who can help you buy or sell a home. You might be searching for one who's the best in Bowie, Maryland. So I am Denise Watkins with the Watkins team, RE with Sampson Properties here in Bowie, Maryland, and I am so excited to be here and share this information with you. Can't you tell? So why choosing the right real estate agent matters? Well, here's the thing. Choosing the right realtor isn't just about finding someone with a real estate license. It's about finding a partner, someone who understands your needs, knows the market inside and out, and has the expertise to negotiate the best deal on your behalf. You may have noticed that I said realtor and not real estate agent. Let me explain the two. Number one, the real estate agent. This is a professional who has obtained a real estate license to help people buy, sell, and rent real estate. They have completed the required coursework. They have passed the state examination to become a licensed real estate agent. Real estate agents can work with residential and commercial properties and are required to work under a broker. Now, a realtor, in addition to being able to do everything that a real estate agent can do, a realtor is a real estate agent who is a member of the National Association of Realtors, which is NAR. To become a realtor, an agent must adhere to NAR's strict code of ethics and standards of practice, which are designed to promote professionalism and protect the consumer. Now let's get back to how to find the best realtor in Bowie, Maryland. So step number one, start with research. Begin by researching local realtors online. Look at their reviews, check their transaction histories, and see how they market other homes. Websites like Zillow, Realtor.com, and even Google and Facebook can provide valuable insights. And do not forget your referrals. So number two, evaluate their local knowledge. A great Bowie real estate agent or realtor will have in-depth knowledge of the area's neighborhoods, their schools, their market trends, new development, and community events. Ask them about their recent sales in the area, how they approach pricing and marketing in different segments of Bowie, Maryland. Number three, check for proper credentials and experience. Ensure your realtor has the necessary credentials or they are a member of the National Association of Realtors. How long have they been working in Bowie? Awards and recognitions can also highlight their expertise and commitment to their clients. So step number four, interview potential realtors. Once you have narrowed down your list of agents, arrange to meet with the potential realtors. Discuss your goals, ask about their strategies, see if their communication style matches what you're looking for. This is a crucial step to ensuring that you are on the same page. And finally, step number five, assess their communication skills and responsiveness. Effective communication is key in real estate, especially in transactions. You want to pay attention to how promptly they respond to your inquiries, how quickly they communicate their thoughts. This is important during the negotiation stage. So the National Association of Realtors, they have a profile of buyers and sellers. When I read it, it said that real estate agents do not engage with their clients during the transaction. Clients must be notified, whether it's good news or bad news. Again, this is important during the negotiation stages. So finding the right realtor in Bowie, Maryland can make a huge difference in your real estate experience. Take your time, do your homework, and choose someone who aligns with your vision and your needs. So I am Denise Watkins. I'm with the Watkins team, RE Sampson Properties, and I am here to help you buy, sell, and invest in real estate in Bowie, Maryland, and the surrounding areas. So thank you for watching. And if you're ready to start your search or if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us. Don't forget, please, to like and subscribe or share this video with your friends and your families or someone who's looking for their next real estate agent. I'm Denise Watkins. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.